This is VIVO Y22S, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. First of all, you need to turn on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Then among the shortcuts, find the one that says nearby share. Here it is. Go into its settings. In order to turn it on, just switch on this little toggle. In here you can rename the device if you want to. Turn on or turn off the device visibility, as well as while it's visible, change the mode. So you can either make it so that your smartphone will be visible only to the devices that have the same account signed into, only to the people from your contacts list, and to anybody who is in range. And you can also change the mode that will be used for the file transfer. Now let's test this feature out real quick. So I'll try to send some photo through it. So here's the photo that I'm going to send. In here, wait until our Vivo gets recognized, tap on it, then accept the transfer at the receiver's end. And wait for the file to get sent, and here it is. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.